Ladies and gentlemen, this is Julian with Juleon Tech Reviews with a quick unboxing video. I have the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge and I wanted to share my unboxing with you. So before we get started, please like and subscribe to this channel. Otherwise, let's go ahead and get into it. So I got this phone from a pre-order. I got $50 credit, so I was able to get an anti-reflective screen and a case. And this phone is the silver edition. This has This is an $1,100 phone, and it comes with just the case in there. And I got this phone because I wanted to see how light and how thin this phone would be. Now it's touted as one of the best thinnest phones on the market, but we'll see. But now, as I've opened the box and unboxed this wonderful phone, it is so light. It's 163 grams compared to the 200 plus grams for the S25 Ultra. I mean, the thinness, you can't get around it. It's 5.8 millimeters on the side, and you can see it and you can feel it. This is an absolute gorgeous phone. Now, the only drawback is that it has a smaller amount of cameras. It has less battery, and you're doing all that. Is that worth the $200 price cut from the S25 Ultra? I don't know. But as you can see, if you look at the S25 Ultra compared to the Edge, you got the less cameras on the Edge. The Edge is a little bit smaller dimension-wise, but the cutting edge, no pun intended, is the fact that it has a very thin bezel. So the 5.8 millimeter bezel, as you can see in this comparison, is definitely great. And I can't wait to test this phone to see how I can keep up with the S25 Ultra, which I'm never getting rid of because it's one of my favorite phones. But I just wanted to share just my experience. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the phone on to see if there's any juice, and there is. This is gonna be a real similar process of, downloading all my information on the phone from my S25 Ultra, so there's nothing new there. I mean, this literally phone came out in January. The S25 Ultra came out in January, and they're already, slicing up the prices and going with a more thin bezel. That seems to be the trend going on. But let me know what you think, about this trend going forward. But since we're here, let me go ahead and unbox my case. I got a nice white, case suit from the Samsung, and I really dig the white version of it. It's really nice. Has like a nice little grip to it, and it doesn't add any weight to the phone. And that's just my opinion. But let me know what you think about this unboxing. Let me know if you're going to pick up the Edge. I'm definitely going to try it out. This is Julian with Juleon Tech.